Hi everyone, this is a group work by Chris Quintana, Dakota Pacheco, Paul Pacheco, and Wilbert Cady. Today we'll be talking about segmentation strategy for the Wilbert Cady Pro 15 Fielded Glove by Wilson. Our demographic we plan to attack and hit the audience is the youth league and younger players of this game. These are a good opportunity and good players to choose from because parents will always be the consistent revenue of glove sales at this age. The brand is a well-known baseball and youth baseball league. In youth league, it's more common for parents to look for a lighter and more affordable glove for their kid to use. So this glove is very beneficial to players because it comes pre-broken in, and you could also have the option of customizing them. Wilson and Little League have also partnered up for the Little League World Series to brand and sponsor the Little League World Series. Two characteristics the Wilson glove offers is style and fit. This is great for any player because the pre-fit broken in fill is great for any player on the field at all levels. We have chose the youth target market because there are many players in these American Little Leagues and other organizations. The Wilbert Cady Pro 15 Fielded Glove is great because it is affordable and very fitting for the young player. As for custom options, colors, stitching, along with the pre-broke leather and the super skin leather for optimum fit makes for excellent results on and off the field. The gloves can also be engraved with custom team logos or lettering for names. The materials are also durable and long-lasting materials, affordable for first-time Pee Wee League players and Little League players. These products are available in stores at Dick's Sporting Goods and other sporting goods stores, but if you'd like the custom option, visit the online wilson.com page to enter this. And that concludes our presentation. Thank you for your time.